Welcome to the evening tea vlog. This time I'm sure that my microphone is on and my camera is recording. I just spent like 15 minutes not recording this tea vlog because I pushed the wrong button in OBS. So I've been working on Syfty. Syfty is my little toy SaaS application that is software as a service. And I'm not sure whether I should be working on it. Like maybe there are other projects I could be working on that would be more helpful in getting me a job. Let me back up a little bit. I was previously working as a data engineer, but I lost that job in the end of December. I've been job searching since then and working on side projects, although kind of working on the side projects is my main project in one way. And I kind of feel like I've been jumping too much from project to project. I don't know though. Um, so what is Syfty? Syfty is an app that will sift through, get it, Syfty, sift, will sift through Reddit and give you notifications, probably by email, but maybe I'll even set up push notifications. Email is going to be easier though. Notify you by email when there's something that matches your preferences. Now this could, for example, be posts on Learn Python subreddit about PyTest. Or it could be posts on R4R, which is a personal subreddit that match your preferences, whatever those are. I keep bumping this mouse, I don't mean to. I'm going to try to have something to talk about until I finish drinking my tea. It feels a little bit bold to assume that anyone wants to listen to this, but there's lots of content going up on YouTube, and if some of it doesn't get watched, that's not a big deal. Like, what should my strategy be? I like the idea of being a YouTuber. I've even taken classes on it. And I think I went in a little bit too head first, got a little too excited about the classes, spent a little too much money on the classes, and then got disappointed when I didn't see how the classes were going to get to the results that I was hoping for. We got some introspection going on here. There's so much to know in the tech world. Which I can take that as a positive spin. You know, there's lots of things to learn and lots of things to know and lots of things to benefit from learning and knowing. I wish this was a live stream with viewers so people could ask me questions. Then I would have something more to talk about. Earlier today I tried making a YouTube video, but I had some kind of sad feelings. And I found it was a struggle to look cheery on the video because I thought that was what I needed to do. As it happens, I rallied and pushed through it and recorded the video. Although I'm not sure whether I should even post that video because I showed my Reddit password that I was generating for a new Reddit account because Google showed you the generate secure password thing. and then I showed the client ID and client secret of an app I generated by Reddit. And you're not supposed to share those things in public. But I've changed the Reddit password and I've deleted the app so that those passwords are no longer valid and they can't do anything on Reddit. So maybe it's okay to go ahead and post that tutorial. So hard to know where to put the effort in to try to get myself ready for a job and to try to convince someone that I'm ready for a job. I wonder if I should put Syfty on my LinkedIn. I might start doing these every day. That's kind of my concept, what I called it, the evening tea vlog. That there's going to be a morning tea vlog. And by the way, I'm drinking a caffeine-free herbal tea, so I'm not going to worry about staying up too late or anything. I'll say again, it's hard to know where to put my effort in the job search, whether it's just filling out more applications or building projects that look good on my resume or learning new programming languages or learning more about the programming language I already know, namely Python and SQL. Those are the ones I've used professionally. I was studying the data engineering Zoom camp, but then became unsure whether that was the best thing to be studying. So I moved on to study some boot.dev things. I actually have a project there that I'm almost done with. Maybe that's what I'll work on tonight. I'll talk some more about Syfty. What I've built so far is a landing page that collects emails. And what I'm kind of stuck on is deciding whether or not to whether to build the front end with a low code, no code tool, or to code it myself. I want to code it myself. I think these no code tools are not as easy to use as you might think. And they certainly don't do everything for you. Now I'm mostly working on the back end of Syfty. Like I said, I built a landing page. I had ChatGPT write the copy for the landing page. My tea's almost gone, but I'm gonna stick it out to the end of the teacup. I'm sorry you didn't get to see my cat. He was on the video in the time when I was thought I was recording, but actually wasn't. Huh. What else to say? Maybe we'll just sit here in silence while I finish my tea. How about that? I want to stream tonight. I just don't know if I'm going to stream open source or Syfty or studying or project. All right, that's the teacup. Thanks for watching the tea vlog. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow with a morning tea vlog. See you then.